We are Project Bender. I'm John Lara. I was in charge of all the programming for the machine.
I'm Louis Palma. I was in charge of the electrical components.
I'm Caleb Kelly. I was in charge of assembly of the hardware.
Our main goal for the project was to make a product to get people drunk that is easily accessible, easy to clean, and remotely accessible.
In the first recipe, each one of the containers will dispense for 3 seconds apiece.
In the second recipe, the first liquid will dispense for 10 seconds, and the second liquid will dispense for 5 seconds. The third liquid will not dispense at all.
In the third recipe, the first container will dispense for 5 seconds, the second one will dispense for 5, and the last one will also dispense for 5. The inventory tab keeps track of the amount of liquid in each container. As your drinks dispense, you'll see that each one goes down by the amount that was dispensed from it. Here we see after pouring the 3 drinks that the inventory has lowered mostly in containers 1 and 2. To refill the containers, it's as easy as pulling them out, unscrewing one of them, and adding more liquid back in to a fill line that you can see in the container. You just screw the cap back on, push it back in the machine, close it up, and you're ready to go. Here in the menu screen, the user can select from any of the drinks they have put in the menu. By clicking on a drink, it will dispense it. In the inventory tab, the user can see the amount of liquid left in each container. When they want to refill, they can hit refill the tank button, and that will set the progress bars back to 100. They can run a clean in place where they fill the containers with soapy water and it'll purge the system. And in the queue, users can select their order that they have placed from their phone.
Inside of our box, you'll see the breakout board for the LCD screen, and to the left of it, you'll see 4 relays. These relays are going to go into the heart of our system here, which is the Raspberry Pi. Just to the right, you're going to see 3 solenoids. Powering all of this is a retrofitted PC power supply all the way down the bottom. And here in the back, you're going to see 3 custom PVC containers that we've fashioned.
3.
So in the rear of the device, we have a easy access back door for your alcohol containers. They're Velcroed in, and they pop out as one unit. We have the custom barb fittings for our air in at the bottom, and comes up to the top, and the solenoids routed in from the bottom come up to the top to be dispensed to your cup. They're easily separated, as you can see, and they dishwasher safe, of course, and easily screw cap off. You can get to the rest of the device to do any maintenance as necessary on the electronics inside. And when you're done with maintenance, just slide these back in and roll this one, and in it goes.